Ever pondered the question, what exactly is venture capital? And more importantly, why is it so crucial for startups? Well, wonder no more, as today's topic revolves around understanding the intriguing world of venture capital. Venture capital, often abbreviated to VC, can be likened to rocket fuel for startups. It is a form of private equity, a type of financing that is provided by firms or funds to early-stage, high-potential growth companies. These firms or funds, known as venture capitalists, provide this financial backing in exchange for equity or partial ownership in the companies they invest in. Essentially, venture capitalists are placing their bets on these companies, hoping that they will grow and become successful. Now, why is venture capital so pivotal for startups? Well, there are several key reasons that make it a game changer for young companies seeking to make their mark. Firstly, venture capital provides the financial support that startups need to get off the ground. This infusion of funds can be used to hire top talent, develop and refine products, scale operations, and even expand into new markets. Is the fuel that propels these startups forward. Secondly, venture capitalists are not just sources of funding. They often bring a wealth of experience and industry knowledge to the table. This means they can offer strategic guidance and mentorship, aiding startups in navigating the often rocky road to success. Thirdly, venture capitalists typically have extensive networks in the business world. They can connect startups with potential customers, partners, and other investors. These connections can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations that would otherwise be inaccessible. Moreover, securing funding from reputable venture capitalists serves as a form of market validation. It sends a signal to other investors, customers, and stakeholders that your startup has potential and is worth investing in. Lastly, with the backing of venture capital, startups can scale and grow at a much faster pace than they could through organic growth alone. This rapid scaling can lead to increased market share, heightened competitiveness, and ultimately success. In summary, venture capital is much more than a mere source of funding. It provides startups with the financial support, strategic guidance, networking opportunities, market validation, and accelerated growth they need to succeed. It's the rocket fuel that propels these young companies to new heights. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur or simply interested in the world of startups, understanding venture capital is essential. It's a key component in the startup ecosystem that can be the difference between a startup's success or failure. And that wraps up our deep dive into venture capital. Hopefully, you now have a clearer understanding of what it is and why it's so important for startups. Remember, it's not just about the money, but the strategic support, networks, and expertise that venture capital brings to the table. So equip yourself with this knowledge and watch your startup soar.